Hey guys, it's me, Brandon, again. Today I'm going to show you my Nerf gun collection. I just want to show you, I have a bunch of clocks in this room actually. So I have one right there, one over there, one over there, a cuckoo clock, and more mantle style clocks. My homemade clock over there, which is not supposed to be zoomed. Today I'm going to show you my Nerf gun collection. Okay, so let's begin. So the first one is that we have is a Nerf Mega Big Shock. And it has a hole in here right there where you can put your dart in and where you can aim for a target. Then we got the Hyperfire Nerf gun, which is an electric gun. You see? There's no darts in it so that it won't shoot. Now we got the Nerf Mega Tri-Break. It's right here.
Brandon, come and get in the shower.
Hold on, I'm doing a video. And I have this dart zone gun, but I don't know the model of it and what it's called. I have this Nerf Rampage right here. And then I have a dart zone gun right here, which is, I don't know what it is. What the model is because they don't say it. You got it on and strike. And this is the Nerf Confire. And it has darts here that you put in, and you pull this back all the way. When it clicks, you can pull it back and shoot it. That's a really nice one. This is a Dart Zone Mega Turbo Loader, but this one broke. It still looks in good condition. But as you see right here, hold on, I'm gonna show you right here. The tip is broken right here where you shoot it. It won't click now, so that it won't shoot. We're gonna put that in the bin for right now. And we have the Nerf Delta Trolloper. What I can't really pronounce it right, but so you pull the thing on the top like this back, then you pull it back, and then wait, I'm on my last gun. Then you pull this trigger, and it has to have the ammo magazine. Okay, and that's it, and thanks for watching.